Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2020 Lexmoto Titan 125. We're going to grab the camera and have a close look all around the bike for you. Right, let's go and have a close look at this Lexmoto. It is HPI clear. Obviously it doesn't need an MOT because it's a 2020 on a 70 plate. And it is only one owner from new. This bike is like brand new, it's super low miles on it. I think it's done something like 20 miles. As you can tell by the tyre. You can still see the paint on it and all the pimples, even in the centre of the tread. So we'll start at the front and we'll work all the way around the bike. Get a good look at the condition of it. And let's move over to the left hand side. Get a look at the front wheel on this side. Let's get a look at the plastics. It is in a black and grey. Get a good look low down. Does have the side stand and the centre stand. It's also got a kickstarter as well as the electric start. Good look in there. See, it's still got the blue protective sticker on the lock there for the seat. Let's have a look at the kick plate. Again, it's still got the blue protective cover on there, on that lock. Let's get a look over at the seat. And it does have the built-in rack on the back there. Have a look over at the back. Same with the back tyre, still got the pimples on it. Let's move over to the right hand side. Get a look at the plastics on this side as well. And the seat. And let's get a look at the exhaust. Get a look in at the engine on this side as well. The rear shock and the rear brake. Let's get a look low down on this side at the plastics. The foot plate area as well on this side. It is pretty much like new, this. Let's have a look at the front brake on there as well. And front wheel on this right hand side. And what we'll do, we'll go and take a look at the controls and get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's have a look up at the controls. You've got your kill switch on there, you've got your front brake, your throttle, your electric start, and then over on the other side we've got the back brake, lights, indicators, horn and hazards. And if we look up on the dash, you can see it's done just 20 miles. Right, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see close up in particular, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.